Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovation Lens. Now I'll tell you the important points to keep in mind before creating compositions. Let me show you my composition sketchbook too. Before creating composition, it's crucial to have a clear idea of what your product will be. This way you can tailor your composition specifically to match that product. We can't use the same design approach for every product. For example, if you are working on apparel, your design and style will be different from those for interior design. These are my compositions, and I compose my design based on the requirements of my products. After creating the compositions, I printed them out and neatly aligned them in my sketchbook to make it more organized. Since my compositions were more than the sketchbook pages, I used thread to tie them together in between the pages. It is also additional important step because if you will take the extra step to present your work in a visually appealing and structured way, it demonstrates your commitment to professionalism and attention to detail, which will surely leave a positive impression on your viewers and juror. That's all for now. In the next video, I'll show you my sampling and product finalization. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.